Here are the top 12 health benefits of eating apples. 1. Rich in fiber, aiding digestion. 2. Packed with antioxidants, fighting free radicals. 3. Supports heart health by lowering cholesterol. 4. Helps with weight management, keeping you full. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels, beneficial for diabetics. 6. Boosts immunity, thanks to vitamin C. 7. Promotes healthy skin, reducing signs of aging. 8. Improves brain health, linked to lower Alzheimer's risk. 9. Aids in hydration, containing 86% water. 10. Reduces the risk of certain cancers. 11. Strengthens bones, enhancing bone density. 12. Provides a natural energy boost, perfect for snacks. Like and subscribe for more.